This video is going to be useful to every student who are pursuing various courses. So are you interested in coding? Are you planning to learn coding very easily? Do you want to save your time in research? And are you planning to launch your own startup, or are you planning to get into a field of marketing? So for all your requirements, this particular video is going to be very helpful. So CollegeDekho.com is exclusively organizing a Cloud AI workshop, and this Cloud AI workshop will provide you a hands-on experience on how to use cloud for writing, research, coding, marketing, and more. So you don't need to have any prior experience on cloud AI or AI tools. So you can just join our workshop, the session, and you can easily learn how to do coding with cloud AI, easy and effective ways. So this particular workshop is being conducted by CollegeDekho experts, and this is 100% live and practical session. There is no theory, so no theory is explained, no bigger presentations are made. So it's all about explaining the concept practically. So this particular workshop, if you join, you will get a lots and lots of teaching, practical learning, and practical experience on how to use cloud AI for writing, research, coding, marketing, and more. So if you are planning to register for this particular workshop, you can click on the link given in video description or in the comment section. You can directly click on the link and you can click on register free option and enter your details, and that's it. You will receive the workshop participation link on your email ID, and you can participate in the workshop and learn everything through cloud AI. And this particular workshop is open for students, freshers who are aspiring for jobs, and this workshop is also going to helpful for those who are working in various companies and have 2 to 5 years of experience. So this is going to be very useful for college students. So register now, hurry up, the slots are getting filled. So June 13th is the last date. June 13th is the workshop that we are conducting. So register now. So click on the link available in video description. So do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned to collegedekho.com for more and more such innovative workshops. Thank you.